Righto, we've just got the Lamborghini Panigale in, and we're just going to unbox it, get that happening. So it's in here somewhere. So there we have it, we've got two of them here. One side we're going to show you the unboxing of it, so we'll get her ready, get her out. Righto. Here we got the Panigale Lamborghini, we're just going to unbox her. Very exciting time. It's got your extras there, not sure what it all is, but we'll put in, I think there's clutch cover and so on for it, so. Very good, g'day. Alright, we're about to unbox the Panigale V4. Let's go.
Oh, now we're there.
Number 354 of 630 worldwide. Oh, it smells good. Look at that. Woohoo.
The anticipation is killing us here. Does it need a hand to grab a supply? Ah, cool. Whatever you want. Before we get there.
Whoa! Look at that! Holy! What a rig! Oh God! Woo. What do you reckon about that? Oh, really? Fucking nice, isn't it? Look at the rear sets. Oh, look at the carbon. No, you can talk. It's all good. That's part of the experience, mate.
The carbon fibre, mate.
It's unreal, mate. It's like a
It's fully carbon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, friendly, but yeah.
$105,200 or something. Well, what do you reckon? I reckon it's bloody awesome.
Yeah.
354.
There you go, that seems to be interesting normally. Most of the kit. He says go for the switch.
Righto, what are we going to need? We've got a little extras that come with it.
On the which?
Ooh, the stand.
Yeah, it's all flashed up.
The stand, look at this. I won't pull that out, but that looks like a race stand for it, I'd say. Colour coded.
Probably numbered.
Looks like bloody Christmas one.
I'm thinking this is a Christmas number.
Not even my bike, but I'm excited. So this one's going down to Lamborghini in Brisbane, where you can call in and have a look at the bike in person there. Not sure how long it's going to be there for, but brand new oil.
That's looking more like a video.
Good guide.
I don't know if that's one they've ever done.
No, it's still going through that.
That is such a good looking bike.
Bits and bobs for it there.
Carbon covers. Best colour as well. It's not red. It's the nicest one. I reckon it's the nicest they've ever done. Look at the wings on.
You can hear the comments in the background. They're saying it's the nicest they've ever done. And these guys know they're Ducatis. Oh, mirrors. You don't want to put them on. Leave all that fun stuff in there.
Definitely that. There's
This one here.
oh wait, look at one as well.
Ho, ho, ho. This is the special box that you get with it.
We're probably going to have to
Oh, hang on, guys.
have to spin it towards the so we can go to there.
This is the official Panigale Lamborghini certificate, I would presume. Oh, there's a cover under there. I don't want to take that out because it's a bit tight in there. So there's a cover in there, a few other bits and bobs. But how's that? Look at that. That's what you get when you buy something this special. Excuse me. Put that back in there. I'll be out of your way in a second.
Yeah, that's good. Still got the back to.
Next one. Just about to take it off its bit. Shane's head.
What's that Anthony did?
It's away.
It didn't do it.
What?
The last one, yeah. Hasn't went over it.
Don't drop that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Righto, so we'll go and get the guys to do the other bit. Thank you, gentlemen. Lovely job. Comes with Pirelli courses. Righto, so what do you reckon? Like, subscribe, send it to your mates, do whatever you do. But replay it and have another look at that. That's an awesome bike. So that's the Panigale V4 Lamborghini. Mate, what do you reckon? Big thumbs up. One of the nicest one I've seen. What do you reckon, Darren?
Stunning, best thing I've ever seen.
Best thing he's ever seen. That's the comments we get from everyone who's seen it. So have a look at it, come and see it. Go to Lamborghini in Brisbane. Should be there on display there for a while. So thanks for watching. Now we'll get back to it.